The world is buzzing with discussions about AI, and let's face it, it's impressive. AI can compose music, write articles, and even drive cars, but let's not kid ourselves. AI isn't perfect, and there are some jobs it simply cannot replace. In fact, some professions demand uniquely human qualities that no algorithm can mimic. Let's dive into the types of jobs AI can't replace, ever, and why humanity's role remains irreplaceable. Therapists and counselors. AI can simulate empathy, but it's just that, a simulation. People facing mental health challenges don't need a cold, calculated algorithm spitting out pre-programmed responses. They need real human connection, someone who can listen, empathize, and provide guidance based on shared experiences and deep understanding. A machine doesn't know what it's like to feel heartbreak, grief, or joy. Let's see an AI tackle the complexities of human emotions without sounding like a chatbot gone rogue. Artists. Sure, AI can generate images and music, but art is about expression, soul, and individuality. True art captures the essence of human experience, our struggles, our triumphs, our dreams. Can an AI really capture the raw emotion behind a painting like Van Gogh's Starry Night, or compose a song that pulls at the heartstrings the way Adele does? Doubtful. Art isn't just about technique, it's about connection, and AI can't forge the deep emotional bonds that human art creates. Teachers. AI can provide facts, sure, but teaching is more than delivering information. It's about inspiring curiosity, fostering growth, and connecting with students on an individual level. A good teacher adapts their approach based on the unique needs of each student. They can spot when someone is struggling, offer encouragement, and celebrate their successes. AI might know all the answers, but it doesn't know how to make a child feel seen and valued. Comedians. AI tries, it tries, but humor requires timing, cultural context, and an understanding of human absurdities. Let's face it, AI jokes are usually about as funny as a tax return. Comedians thrive on improvisation and the ability to read the room, something a machine can never master. People want to laugh with someone, not at a string of code pretending to be funny. Skilled trades like plumbers, electricians, and carpenters. Sure, AI might someday design a house, but who's going to fix your leaky sink at 2 a.m.? These jobs require hands-on expertise, adaptability, and problem-solving in unpredictable environments. A robot might get stuck trying to figure out where the water shutoff valve is while a human professional has already solved the problem. Midwives and nurses. These roles demand compassion, intuition, and the ability to make split-second decisions in life or death situations. Imagine a robot trying to comfort a mother in labor or calm a frightened patient. Human touch and empathy aren't just nice-to-haves in healthcare, they're essential. Leaders and politicians. Effective leadership requires emotional intelligence, the ability to inspire, and an understanding of the complexities of human relationships. Sure, the AI might analyze data and suggest policies, but it can't rally people behind a vision or navigate the delicate art of diplomacy. Leaders connect with people's hopes and fears, and that's a distinctly human trait. Journalists, especially investigative ones. AI can compile facts, but uncovering hidden truths requires intuition, persistence, and courage. Exposing corruption or chasing down a story often involves understanding human motivations and building trust with sources, things no algorithm can replicate. Chefs. Cooking is more than following a recipe, it's an art form that engages all the senses. Chefs experiment, innovate, and create dishes that tell a story. AI might get the measurements right, but it won't capture the magic of a perfectly cooked meal crafted with passion and flair. Parents. AI might help with homework or remind kids to brush their teeth, but parenting is about love, patience, and guiding another human being through life. It's about being there for the scraped knees, the bedtime stories, and the moments of doubt. No robot can replace the bond between a parent and their child. So, there you have it. AI is impressive, but it's not invincible. These jobs remind us of what makes us human, our creativity, empathy, adaptability, and capacity for connection. AI might be a tool, but it will never replace the essence of humanity. And honestly, who wants to live in a world run by soulless machines? We'll stick with the messy, beautiful chaos of being human. Thank you very much. For more inspiring content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on videos that celebrate the power of humanity. Let's embrace technology, but never lose sight of what makes us irreplaceably human.